Are your eyelid sagging after a long walk? Miriam Lamzi is here to share another mind-blowing tips on how you can regain your energy or how you can regain your strength back totally at the comfort of your home. In fact, let's do this. Hi guys, hi lovely people, how you all are doing? As for me, I'm fine. If today is your first time here, please do me a favor by subscribing, turn on your post notifications so that you'll not miss any of my video. As for my returning subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you so much for always clicking on my video to watch. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I will never take this love for granted. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so guys, join my membership if you have not subscribed to my channel. Like I said earlier, thank you. Let's get right into today's video here. Are you always getting tired? Anytime you want to do work or anytime you want to do your house chores, before you know, you get tired. Any little thing you get tired. Are you always getting tired? Don't worry, Miriam Lamzi got you covered. Before we go into that, please like this video. Just click on the like button, like this video before we go further. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, also share this video because it's so important. Any little thing, even though it, in fact, any little thing you got tired, so Miriam Lamzi is here to share with you how you can regain your strength back at that moment, how you can regain it back at that moment of time, like within a twinkle of an eye, like less than 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm here to share mind-blowing tips on how you can do that at the comfort of your home. So please join my membership, share any of my videos, support my channel, do anything you can to support my channel. I love you all and I'll never take your love for granted. Okay guys, so let's get right into it. How you can regain your strength back totally, yeah, or your energy. Okay guys, the first tips on my list here is, please, before you embark on any work, any job at all, farm work, site work, any work at all, and you know this work is very huge for you or is plenty, I don't know how to put it guys. Okay, like I said, I always say it on this video, manage my English, no be my papa language, you just borrow. Okay, so if they say make I speak my language now, I go flow well. Yeah, so guys, in fact, before you go in to do any work, house chores, either let's say housework, anyhow you put it guys, please always take your breakfast. Yes, very important. Even though it is evening work you are going, take your evening food before you go to that work. Even though it's anything at all, even though it's morning, take your breakfast. Okay guys, it is going to help you, give you that strongness, give you that boldness to do more work. In fact, you regain your strength. Okay, imagine some people working in a site, you see at it before they start that work, you see them, they will take their breakfast in the morning. Once they take that breakfast, once it's anything 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, they will take their afternoon food. Once they take that their afternoon food, you see that that energy will come back again, they will regain their strength back again to go and finish that work. So always take your breakfast before doing anything. That is number one tips I recommend, so recommendable. That is it. So the second tips you need is 7 Up and Peak Milk. How are you going to get it? Once you get the two ingredients that I just listed, mix the two together. Okay, once you mix it, add a little pinch of salt, stir it together, drink it once. It is going to help you regain your energy or regain your strength back within 10 minutes. Okay, you will be so strong again, like you will be so strong to do more work like never before. So that is what you need. Just 7 Up and Peak Milk, mix it together and drink it. That is what you need, and after that you are going to get a bountiful result. The thing work like magic. Okay, so that is what you need to regain your strength. It is water. Oh my god, water is so important. Always take water when you are going to work, farm, anything, any kind of work you are doing at all. Let your water be by your side. Okay, so that anything can happen, you use water to regain your strength or to fill back your energy. It is so important. Water keep you hydrated, it energize your body, it go a long way for you. Okay, Water is so important. So always take water if you want to do work or you want to go for any work. Let your water be by your side because it is going to re-energize you back to do more work. That is it on that. So guys, if you find this video very interesting, please give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your loved ones. Okay guys, please join my membership and don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell. Okay, it is very important. Okay guys, follow the prescription and you are going to get a bountiful result. Miriam Lamzi prescribe and God do the healing. See you in my next one. Bye bye.